Recently, I was wondering whether the hair conditioner really worked or is it just a tactic to sell fancy products? Is the time many of us spent on hair conditioning worthy? To understand what happens when you apply the hair conditioner, you have to understand the structure of hair. The hair is made up of three main layers. This topic only concerns the outermost layer known as cuticle, composed largely of keratin. The cuticle layer has scale-like or flaky structures that cover the hair's surface, protecting the hair strand. Light reflects off this cuticle layer, giving hair its natural shine. Hairs look their best when the overlying cuticle flakes lay tightly or compact against one another. The hair is coated in sebum or the oil secreted by glands, providing protection and lubrication to the cuticle. Stripping the hair of its oil coating can leave it tangled, looking dull, and feeling dry. Shampoo lead to the removal of this oil coating along with dirt. Also, hair gets damaged by heat, environment, harsh chemical treatment, etc. Therefore, the need was felt for a synthetic substance or a conditioner which will replenish hair's moisture and repair damage. Conditioner makes the hair smooth, detangle, increase shine, reduce frizz, etc. How exactly this stuff does this? We will now see what its ingredients are and how they help your hair. The first one is cationic surfactant. They are the backbone of a conditioner. Like any surfactant, cationic surfactants are composed of a polar or hydrophilic, that is, water loving part, and a non polar part or hydrophobic, which is water repelling or oil loving. They have a positively charged functional group. Example, cetrimonium chloride. So if you want a separate video on surfactants and its type, do let me know in the comment section. Approximately 97% of hair consists of a protein called keratin. The surface of keratin contains negatively charged amino acids rich in cysteine groups which are mildly acidic. At one end of every cationic surfactant molecule is a positive charge that binds to the negative charge of a hair strand via electrostatic interactions. Attraction is so strong that the surfactants completely surround the strand and cover the cuticle flakes like a customized hair envelope. With the positive end of the surfactant molecule attracted to the hair, the nonpolar end is exposed to the water when rinsed. The nonpolar nature of this part of the molecule means it does not mix well with water, meaning a layer is left surrounding the hair after rinsing. The cationic charge of these surfactants also help reduce the buildup of static electricity between the hair strands. The friction between hair fibers also get reduced, thereby increasing the reflectance of light, which improves the shine. Second is silicones. Silicones are effective at lubricating strands of hair, enabling them to slide past each other easily and making them less likely to tangle and easier to comb. For example, the methicone. Third, acidifiers. They maintain the conditioner's pH at about 3.5. This low RH protonates the keratin's amino acids. The hydrogen ions give the hair a positive charge and create more hydrogen bonds among the keratin scales, giving the hair a more compact and the smooth structure. There are many other ingredients also depending on additional applications like sweet almond oil as moisturizer, sequestrants for better function in hard water, etc. Now, how do you use hair conditioner? Apply the product after squeezing the water out of your strands after shampooing. Excess water dilutes your conditioner and prevents hair from soaking up the ingredients. Then, what is 2-in-1 conditioning shampoo? In a 2-in-1 product, the cationic surfactants remain suspended in the lather, while the shampoo is working to break down oils and dirt. Then, when you rinse the shampoo out, the surfactants are triggered by the water to bind to the hair, while only dirt and oil washes away. If you have any question, leave it in comment section and do subscribe to this channel to know the science behind the things you encounter every other day. Thank you.